since I learned Java Spring, Angular has the same concepts, so, auto wiring and inversion of control, similar concepts we have in Angular. So that's why it was Angular for me, and also TypeScript. It was easier to understand, very close to Java. So it became so that's why the ETA, the Education Training and Assessment department, had set Spring with Angular. But eventually, when you learn any JavaScript framework, both React, Angular, all the base concepts are similar. So React has so eventually you have a template and you have to serve it in some or the other way. You have routes, you have route guards, authentication, and everything. So it clearly, you have to try learning one. So Angular clearly has a steeper curve than React. When I wanted to learn for myself, I started with React. So I learned a little bit, but eventually all the basic concepts are similar. You can try with anything. So when you pair now, you can pair React with, so React goes well with MERN stack, and Angular goes well with other platforms like Spring and Laravel and everything. So that's why it was Angular for me. But talking about the second part of the question, Node. Node is underrated. Yes, it is, because when you, for example, you are working with MERN stack, you are having to learn only one base programming language, right? So it is very, what you can say, single language on the entire stack. So it becomes very easy. And also Node has now, just like Python, it has a lot of plugins and open source libraries made by people for the people. So it's very easy to use and very lightweight. So yeah, I would call Node underrated, but it is pretty much not used in enterprise applications as such, at least in service-based companies.